Okay, so in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to add money and subtract money to your demo account. So when you're practicing with a demo, you want to try to make your balance kind of close to whatever you're going to actually trade with. So therefore, when you actually start trading, you will kind of be comfortable with, whatever you're trading with. You get what I'm saying? So, but I want to show you something. So I'm gonna pull up my terminal and I'm in my demo account right here. You see my balance is $415, right? But if I go to my CoinExx account and I go to demo right here and I click on add funds and I select the account. So you have to click on MT5, right? Because that's what we're using here. Click on MT5, you find your account number, and then let's say I want to make my balance say $1,000. So I will add, what is it, 585. So I'm just gonna type in 585 and I'm gonna submit it. Oh, I forgot. You got to click on the account. All right, it is submitted. Once I submit it, now check my balance. Boom, now it's $1,000.31. Now, let's say that my balance was too high and I wanted to subtract from my balance. All I got to do is go back to CoinExx. This is on the demo, right? So I'm gonna click on add funds again and I'm gonna select my demo again. But this time I'm gonna say minus $500, right? Because I want to subtract 500 this time. So then I hit submit, and then boom, my balance is $500. So now you know how to add and take money. I mean, you know how to add and subtract money from the demo. So that's number one. Now let's talk about depositing into your live account and also withdrawing from your live account. All right. So now before you trade live, you need to actually do a deposit. I'm going to show you how to switch your I'm gonna show you how to switch to a live account on the terminal in a minute. So stay tuned for the end for that. But right now we're just gonna focus on deposit and withdrawal. Or matter of fact, I put that in a separate video. So we're gonna stick to deposit and withdrawal. So this is for the live. So now if you want to deposit on the live, you switch over here to live, and then what you do is you click on add funds. Then you select the live account with your number. You got to click on MT5, and then once you click, make sure you click on MT5. I don't think I have an MT5 on this particular CoinExx account. Let me check. I might do. Yes, I do. So yeah. So you click on your live account. Make sure MT5, and then you're gonna go ahead down here. You're gonna select your currency, however you want to deposit, and then you're gonna proceed. And you're just gonna pretty much follow the prompts all the way through, and then it's gonna give you an address to send the money to. Once you get the money, right? Once the money is, it may take, depending on how you deposit the money, it may take 10 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour. It depends on what kind of crypto you use. Once you deposit the money, automatically be on your live account balance. So now, and when you want to withdraw, all you do is go to manage request, click on withdraw request, select your account, and then make a withdrawal. So that's it. So that's how you deposit and withdraw onto your broker account. Now, in the next video, I'm going to show you how to switch your demo account to a live account. See you in the next video.